eyes up, rookie. We're flying into the real deal here.
This is awesome. I'm the jump master.
Did he really? Oh. You know what? Okay, we better just go after that tin can before he lands on a grenade again. You can figure it out. Just let gravity do all the work. Hey, you landed with all your bones intact. Look, I'm sure you'll make it to the Apex games, or, you know, die in a hot ball of flame. But for now, let's just focus on some basics. Now let's crack open the supply bin and see what goodies are inside. Why don't you take a peek? Well, all right. Today's your lucky day. An R301, fast firing with low recoil. It's great for rookies. You know, like take the gear and follow me down this way. Use the slope to slide down the road. Sprinting while crouching.
How about this way?
Trigger.
Hey, how about this way?
All right, don't let this rusty junk stop you.
How about this way?
Check me out. Face the obstacle, move
How
forward,
about this way?
and tap the jump button. Up and over. Easy peasy.
Reloading.
Okay, don't get too excited. I mean, he barely moved. Tango, Echo, Fox, Nebraska,
Reloading.
Fox, we're under attack. I really need to work on my...
Making contact here. How about this way?
That's Wraith, running away as usual. She's going indoors. As Bloodhound, you are great at sniffing out prey. Now get closer,
Scanning
use
the
your
area.
eyes, the All-Father skill, and see what will happen.
Reloading.
And see? One more door. Another death box. Let's see what treasures she has. Ooh, a shield battery. Great for recharging your shield. Let's keep our shields and health up.
Reloading.
I got a date after this.
My ultimate is ready. The hunt begins. Recharging my shields. Reloading.
Good. All right, let's keep moving.
Hey, how about this way?
Hi, friends.
Whoa, whoa, heads up. Use your Eye of the All-Father to help us spot this bad guy. Haha, there they are. Sends out a decoy. She got bamboozled.
This is a match point. Let's win or die trying. Get ready. It's zipline time.
Don't forget your ultimate.
Trust in the All-Father. Reloading.
Reloading.
You're not leaving me behind, friend. I have been downed.
Contact. Reloading. Reloading.
Okay, enemy cleared. Time to bring back our teammate. Right, now grab his banner, and let's get him back in the game at the respawn beacon. Hopefully he can get us out of here.
Here I come. back from the sky.
Looks like our ride is here.
Who's ready to fly on a zip line? I am.
Follow me to victory. Another win for the books. I always knew I had it in me. Good catch, rookie. How about you tell me your real name?